Kasi yung isang auntie rin ni Andy nandito. So parang tatlo sila na first time ulit magkikita-kita for how many years.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoobs. Mom and Dad are here. First reaction. Welcome. Come back.
Like in my house, taking off your shoes home.
No, just take it off in there, inside.
Hello, hello.
Hi. Just wipe it. Oh, can you take it?
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent.
Hi mga Zoobs! For this video, look! We are in the Hilton Hotel.
Back at the hotel.
Kami ngayon ay nandito kasi yung isang tita mo is here.
Yes, surprise.
Surprise! May surprise na magaganap. So for now, I'm gonna check the Jo Malone store here kasi gusto ko bumili ng mga kandila for the house.
Along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew it was you. You have always been the one that I'm true. You have been here all along. I never saw the signs, it didn't treat me right, but I just couldn't let him go. You waited patiently, you waited for me, you showed me what it was to love. You have been here since day one, seen the ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along. You have always been the one, yeah, who knew it was you? You have always been.
Zoos! Ayan, sabi ko kanina, isa-surprise sana namin yung tita ni Andy, but we are going home dahil kami ay kailangan nang umuwi dahil babalik din naman kami bukas. So, sabi namin, mag-spend muna sila ng time together ng mami niya kasi yung isang auntie rin ni Andy nandito. So, parang tatlo sila na first time ulit magkikita-kita for how many years. Uwi na lang kami dahil kami ay nagda-diet din. Kasi pag nag-antay kami, makakain naman kami ng marami. Kahapon, dami namin ulit kinain. So, babalik naman kami dito bukas. Kaya sabi namin, uwi kami. And now, we are on the way home. Ang maganda dyan, while we are waiting kanina sa Hilton, nakapag-gym kami ni Andy. I did arms, triceps, shoulders, and a little bit of back. Parang whole body without the legs. I think tomorrow ako magla-legs. Ikaw, anong ginawa mo dali?
It was actually quite a good, like, we weren't like full of energy, but you know, we got a good workout and a little bit of a walk, a bit of cardio.
Nakapag-cardio.
Definitely better than nothing, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And we have our banana protein shake when we get home.
Yes, ayun yung another flavor. Kasi ubus na yung tinry naming meal replacement ni Andy.
Yung violet crumble.
Oh, ngayon
But
banana.
actually, mas gusto ko kasi yung banana. So, diba dati we had yung casein protein, tapos banana custard flavor.
We'll show you guys later kung ano yung sinasabi namin. Kasi dumating na siya from Andy's mom galing ng Australia.
Also this morning, I got a little bit of Mum and Dad's reaction to the house, but it was sort of hard to capture, so I don't know how much I'm gonna put in the vlog. But Dad was really impressed, so
He's so happy.
that's
hindi pa tapos yan
yeah.
Hindi pa kasi nai-install yung kitchen kaya hindi namin maipakita sa inyo lahat. Gusto namin as in unahin namin yung empty house.
We can actually first maybe do the downstairs empty house. Kasi empty talaga yan.
Kasi yung taas puro gamit. As in, yung
So
mga gamit namin.
That will be semi-empty.
Oo. So, nilalagay muna namin siya sa mga cabinets. Yan. Medyo makalat pa. Ayoko namang mag-tour sa inyo na super kalat, diba? Except for the kids. The kids,
There's nothing we can do there.
room naman nila yon. So, at least nandun lahat ng kalat. Yung kalat na nasa amin, it's like, kung ano yung mga na-accumulate namin sa ilang
1 year of luggage.
Yeah, almost 1 year. Tsaka may mga gamit na kami like mga rice cooker, blender, yun yung kailangan ko lang munang i-set aside para hindi pag nag-empty house tour naman kami. Hindi naman yung puro eco bag yung nakikita ninyo. Plus yung mga comforter, ganyan. Kaya yun. So ngayon on the way home na kami and sila Mimi okay naman.
You should explain, babe, that Mimi has slept
3 days in a row na natutulog siya sa bed niya. Hindi na kami tabi.
Although last night she did want to sleep
Beside
with
us.
us.
So, nilipat na lang ni Andy.
When she fell asleep again, I put her back with Eva. The reason being is that we just want her to, I guess, parang masanay siya, no?
Para maging independent na siya.
Yeah.
Si Aliyah very independent na. Ayaw niya na nga rin nakabukas yung ilaw.
She wants to sleep in her own bed. So, yeah, si Mimi, it's time. Diba?
Yeah. Though very clingy pa rin siya. Okay lang naman yun, sweet, ganyan.
Although I do miss not having her.
Mas nakakatulog ako ng maayos. Sa totoo lang. Tapos sa hapon na lang kami, touchy-touchy, clingy-clingy, hug-hug, ganyan.
Wow.
Ganun si Mimi. Sobrang sweet. Not you.
I thought you were talking about me. Anong vlog ito?
Touchy-touchy ka dyan. Kumain daw sila kanina ng adobo. Kasi yung mami ko, pinagluto ko ng mga adobo, paksiw, sinigang sa bahay niya para iinitin ko na lang. Kasi nga, tomorrow, di ba wala naman masyadong bukas. Good Friday tomorrow. Pero makakapag-gym kami sa bahay ng friend namin kasi sarado din ang Daily Burn. Dahil syempre holiday naman.
Renovations din.
Traffic ko.
Yeah, they said most of the traffic cleared by afternoon.
Everyone ay nasa bakasyon. Kami ay busy sa pag-ayos ng bahay. Okay, we'll let you know guys. Nasa bahay na kami. Pakita namin sa inyo yung meal replacement na pwede nyo rin gawin para umayat. We're home na. And tatry ko tong binili kong diffuser sa Jo Malone. Kasi para mawala yung amoy ng yung konting pintura.
So you just take the top off and then you put it in.
Yes. Ang sabi sa akin, 3 to 4 months. Daddy.
Pero feeling ko mga 2 months lang na maganda yung smell.
So, lagyan natin dito.
Yeah.
O kaya sa side ng TV, no? Para mas maganda. Here.
Feeling ko dapat sa bathroom, babe. Kasi yun ang may...
Mamaya na sa bathroom.
Sige.
Alamigin na natin yung sa Paamoy muna natin yung sa room.
Yeah, and so that's what we just picked up. Jo Malone. And we ended up getting wood sage and sea salt.